Hello, today we are going to be learning about part, whole. Now I'm going to give everyone this worksheet and a handful of colorful links, and we're going to use these to work on our addition and subtraction skills. Okay, so in the first corner we have a part, and I want you to think about the equation 4 plus 6. So what I want you to do, we're going to do it as a class, and I want you to grab one link and put it in the first corner, and it's 4 plus 6. So we're going to have 4 links in the first corner. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we're going to plus, and I want you all to make a plus sign with your arms to try to help remember that when you see a plus sign like this on your paper or on the board, or when you hear the word plus, that means addition. So you're going to be adding things together. So we have 4 over here, and then we're going to plus 6. So what do you think that would mean we need to have in the other corner? 6. You're right. Good job. So we're going to have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So in the first corner, it's kind of hard to see. In the first corner, we have 4 links, and in the second corner, we have 6 links. So to add them together, we're going to bring both corners down to the bottom in the section called whole. So we are just going to start moving and just continue counting. So we're going to move the first one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So what do you think that 10 means? If you guess that 4 plus 6 equals, everyone do equals with your arms. When you see the equal sign, that means what it totals. So when you add 4 plus 6, and we brought all of the links down, that created 10. So when that is added together, we have 10 links. Now I want to give us another addition problem before we move on to subtraction. So move off all your links off your paper. And then we're going to do a harder one. I want to do 7 plus 8. Okay? So what do you think our first step would be to putting our links in the first corner? I said 7 plus 8. So if you say to move 7 links in the first part, the first corner, then you're correct. So we're going to move 7. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And we can always double check in case we misplaced or we got off count. So let's double check just to be safe. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we're on the right track. And now the second part of the equation is adding 8. So we're going to move over from our pile. We're going to add 8 to the second part. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So those steps are complete. And now to find what it equals, good job, we're going to move all of the links by adding one by one, just joining them together down here in the bottom section of our worksheet. So let's begin. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, kind of running out of room, 14, 15. So 7 plus 8 now shows that it is 15. And to double check, we can always count them all together again. So let's count just to be sure. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So we were correct. 7 plus 8 equals 15. So using this worksheet helps us see visually, using these manipulatives, what the addition solution would be. So now we're going to mix it up, and I want us to do a subtraction problem. So to do a subtraction problem using our part-whole worksheet, we're going to put all of our links down at the bottom in the whole section, and then we're going to subtract that second number and move some into the part, and what is left down here will be our answer, okay? So let's start with 9, okay? So we're going to 9 minus 3, looking for the answer, okay? So we have 9, and then just do one arm, minus 3 equals, I don't know what it equals, we're going to find out. So let's put our 9 links down here in the whole section. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so we have our 9 links down here at the bottom, and then the second part of the equation was minus, so that means we're going to take away 3 for this example. So we have 9 down here, and we're going to minus 3. So we have 9, then we're going to move 1, 2, 3. So what is left down here in this whole section is what our answer to the equation is. So let's add this up to see what we have. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have 6 links left. So when you have 9 links all together and you subtract the 3 and you move it up here to one of your corners, that leaves you with the answer of equals 6. Okay? So let's try another subtraction problem just to get the hang of it. We're going to do a little bit of a harder one. Let's start with 12 down here at the bottom, okay? So count out your 12 links. We're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, so we have 12 down here, and I want us to subtract, let's subtract 5, okay? So who thinks that they know what the first step is? I'm going to give you a second, and I want you to think about it. Okay, if you think that the first step in solving this equation using our worksheet and these links, it is to move 5 into one of your part corners, okay? So we have 12 down here in the bottom in the whole section, and then we're going to subtract 5, okay? So let's move 5 up to this corner. We're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we had 12 to begin with. So you would, on your worksheet, if this was written down, you would see 12, and then you would see a line like this, minus, and then you would have the number 5. Equals the blank, which we're about to find out, okay? So left to figure out what that was, we had 12, we moved 5 up here to the corner, so now we just need to count how many are down here to find our answer. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So it is 12 minus 5 equals 7. So if that's what you got on your paper, great job, because that's what it is. So you could do this with however many tiles or links or anything that you wanted to help visually see how to add or subtract items from one another. Okay? So I'm really proud of y'all, and now I just want you to play around with it and just think of some different equations. I'm going to come around and check, and I want you to tell me your equation if you're adding or subtracting. And I would like to see if you could do your arms in the addition or the subtraction. And when I ask you for your answer, I would love to see you show me your equal sign. Okay, that really helps us remember what steps we're taking to find our answer. Okay, so y'all just play around, and when I come around, I will ask you what your equation is, and I want to see your steps on your part whole worksheet. Okay, good job.